Is about screening the bond for safe investment via indiabonds.com. So once you log into our credential, you will get into this page and go to product and bond trading. You select the yield is more than 10 percentage, and the period I normally select 1 to 3 years duration. If you really want 1 year also you can do it, but let's, for this video purpose, we'll go with the 1 to 3. And the interest payment frequency I always prefer monthly. So at least you can keep monitoring whether the particular company is paying you interest or anything. If the interest is not coming to our account, it's the first warning you are getting. There is something going around with the company, right? So monthly payout. And also I go for credit rating minimum A, and you can, for the screening purpose, you can keep selecting double A, then 3A also. Okay. And the next one is we need a secured bond, and also it's a high yielding bond. Okay, so as of now the screening is done, and totally you are getting almost 3 pages, right? So each page you have almost 9. So it's almost, yeah, 9 plus 9, 18, and I am not sure about third page how many are there. So 3 is there. So you have 21 bond is selected as per your preferential screening method. Let's get into how to select out of these 21 bond. I'll explain few of them. So this is, let me go to Muthoot Mini Finance. This is one of the my favorite company. If you see, its rating is A, and the security clause is a debentures. So hopefully debentures mean it is they're selling this bond based on their trustworthiness and rating category. Okay, and also is, if it is secured means your investment is secured with their asset or their collateral. That's, let us not get into too much detail. Okay. And it's a high yield, a large size, and the A rating, and the tax saving is not. So you will be having a tax based on the, that all we'll get into later. And the mode of issuance is a private placement. Okay. And what you see here is, if you are doing a investment, you are allowed to take a 50% of your capital in the year 2027. So until that, you can't take out anything there. And at the maturity, you will get the 100% of your capital. Apart, okay, and the payment, interest payment, you will get on monthly basis. Now, this is a more critical one. I always look into it. That is the repayment priority. In case if any default by the company is happen, then who will get the money first? So that is how it says senior. So if you click here, the senior sit on the top, then subordinate, and all those will get into it. In case if the company default, the government take over all the asset and the collateral, everything, and they will sell and they will settle the money to the first category period. So your capital is secure, and whatever capital you give, you will get 100%. Okay, so that is why it says security with collateral. It's security, and type of guarantee is guaranteed. So it's more safe, and you don't need to worry about your capital. And in the past also, this company doesn't have any default history for 30 years, I would say. Okay, it's one among them. But the advantage is you always look into the YTM, don't get into the coupon rate or anything. So why you look into the YTM, okay, that is one of the things here. So you are getting almost 11.2, which is more than your bank interest. And also the company one, if you see here, so their net worth is keep increasing, right, from 2024, 25, and 26. And then the revenue is also slightly decreasing. So we have to get into maybe they are expanding or whatever the manner. Okay, these are all the ones you need to look into your investment. Then you click buy this bond, and you can keep it, and it will come to your Demat account. So you can sell in case if you want to do the secondary market sell also, you can do it. But I prefer this is for the investment, so it is not like a stock or anything, and you will keep getting your interest to your bank account. Once you get the sufficient interest from various investment, then you can keep buying another bond. So this is how you can do it. Okay. So the good thing is why we are taking a monthly is you will keep monitoring your investment whether those investment is getting you money on time or not. That is the one advantage, and also you manage your money by yourself. You are not giving your money to someone else or financial guy or advisor and to do everything. You monitor your own finance, your own investment. Whenever you get money, you keep investing or keep buying some bonds, and these bonds are always giving you more return than your bank interest. And whatever the taxable, you get the taxable. If the tax is within your limit, you can always claim it back by submitting your TDS or whatever. Okay. And let me go get into the another one. So out of 21, you browse it and do it, and you can also do little about the company, whether they have defaulted in the past or anything. Is all click through the Google. You can do it, and I always prefer Muthoot Finance and Kosamotam. These two are also the Navy. So these three I always prefer. Because the Kosamatan and Muthoot is the only company in India, they have the more reserve than the Indian government gold reserve. So it's more secured and everything. So hopefully this video is helpful and how to do the screening, and you can keep buying your bonds. And let me go to what is the difference between Navy Finance and Navy Finance, because these are all the bonds they started selling in substance. Once this is matured and then 27, and this is maturity is 28. You can keep in case if you want the money by 2027, you can buy this. Or if you want the money by 2028, you can keep the money for investment up to 2028. You can buy this. You have a flexi of opportunities. And also here, why we have a mini, or if you see the Kosamotam, let me take you to the Kosamotam here. And this is almost 1 lakh rupees you need to buy one bond. So the amount of money what you have also is one. Based on that, you can select the bonds. Whereas the other one, if you see the Muthoot Finance is already 10,000 rupees, right? So one bond is 10,000. In case if you want to do 50,000 rupees, you can't go and buy the Kosamotam. Instead, you can buy these five bonds. So if you see the five bonds, it is comes to around 48,000. So this is how it gives you more flexibility based on the your fund in your hand. So based on that, you can select and you can do your investment. This is all help you to select your bond and do it. And in case if you have any queries, also you can always approach me. Okay, happy investing. Thank you.